Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to share AliExpress link. So open AliExpress on your phone and find product that you want to share. For example, let it be this one, and on the product page you should look for the share icon in the top right corner of your screen, and you will see a list of options to copy link or send it directly through applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or Snapchat, or also you can show QR code to a person. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.